Hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use the Esqueen coconut honey aloe vera facial cleanser. Now I just came back now, and as you can see, my face is oily for running errands, so it's pretty much oily. I always have like a little bit of acne combination skin. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how this works. It's a foaming facial cleanser. It has manuka honey in it, aloe vera, rosemary, chamomile. What I like about this is it's very moisturizing on your face. And it's excellent if you have sensitive skin as well. Just put this down a little bit more. Okay. Here we go. Just so you guys could see. And it's gentle on the skin. Even when you're putting it on, it's just moisturizing your skin. You feel it. This is good for oily combination skin. Even if you have acne, it's even good for sensitive skin since it has chamomile in it. It doesn't strip, dry the skin out. Hi, Heidi. Okay. Now I'm just going to rinse it off. Okay. Hi, Tracy. So now I'm just rinsing it off. The Aloe facial cleanser. Okay. And just rinse it one more time. Make sure I get everything off. All right. Now it also does tighten up the skin as well once you're done using it, once it dries off. So let's now dry this off. Okay. Now what I love about this foaming facial cleanser is it makes your skin very soft. It tightens it, so once it dries, give it like at least 1-2 minutes. Once it dries, you're gonna feel the tightening, and then it's gonna give you that kind of glow from the aloe vera and the manuka honey. So let me just let it dry, so you can see. Okay, let me get closer for you guys to see. Thank you, Tracy. Now you can get this facial cleanser. It is available on Amazon. It will be available on my website in 2 weeks. It is for $23.99. It's good again for sensitive skin. It has chamomile in it, manuka honey, so it's an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It's good for all skin types. It's very gentle on the skin. I normally have like a oily combination skin, so this is really good for it. and then you'll start to notice that you have that glow. Hi, Lisa. Now I'm also going to put the replay up so that you guys can see it. Again, you can click the link in my bio, and it is for $23.99. Okay, it is available on Amazon, or you can also get it in 2 weeks on my website. Okay, hope you guys enjoy it. Have a lovely night. Okay, and I'm going to do another live next week with the oil-free moisturizer, so you guys can see how that works as well. All right, thank you very much, Lisa. Thank you. Okay, bye guys.